All right, real quick, before we get started. If you've ever watched a YouTube video and clicked off because the sound was awful, you're not alone. And honestly, audio is the #1 thing that can make a video feel cheap, even if the footage is amazing. So today we're gonna show you some of the most common problems people run into when they're not using a premium lapel mic, and then we're gonna fix each and every one of them with something we're super excited about. We just picked up the DJI Mic Mini.
So first off, onboard microphones on most cameras, they're just not great. They pick up everything in the room. So instead of your voice sounding clear and close, it sounds kind of hollow, kind of echoey, like you're talking from across the room. If you're filming indoors, forget about it. It's like your walls become part of the audio track. Next up, distortion. This one drives me nuts because you're talking normal and then all of a sudden you get excited like, this is awesome. And then the audio peaks and clips and suddenly it's crunchy and blown out.
And once the audio is clipped, you can't fix it in editing. It's cooked.
Problem number 3, you're too far away from the camera. This one is huge for vloggers.
I'll be right back.
You set your camera down, you're working on something, walking away, and the further away you get, the quieter it gets.
And then what happens? The camera tries to help by boosting the audio. And then it's just full of background noise and you're still quiet.
It's horrible.
If you've ever filmed outside without a proper mic, you already know what's coming. The wind hits your camera and it sounds like a hurricane coming at you. Even if you're saying something important, it becomes totally unwatchable.
Another thing people don't realize, handling noise. Every time you adjust the camera, adjust the tripod, fix a loose mount, your onboard camera mic picks it all up. It sounds like you're using a machine. Well, because you are.
And then there's background noise. Fans, heaters, refrigerators, traffic, other people talking. The built-in mics don't know what to focus on. So instead of your voice becoming the star, everything becomes the star.
Okay, enough suffering. Because the truth is, good audio is the quickest way to level up your content, which is why we switched to this, the DJI Mic Mini. And right now I'm using it and you can already hear a clear difference. So this is what professional audio sounds like.
This is what they mean when they say clean audio.
So even if the camera is across the room, it's like I'm talking right to you.
And that alone makes your videos instantly more professional.
The best part? It's a lapel style clip-on microphone. It also has a magnet, so fitting to any type of clothing is no issue. No bulky setup, no big mic in the shot. Just clip it on, hit record, and you're ready to go.
Wireless freedom. Now you can film projects, homestead stuff, travel days, snowboarding clips, walking and talking, cooking, building, without being tied to a camera. And the audio stays consistent the entire time.
Set it and forget it. Simplicity. That's one of the things that we love about it. It's not one of those things that you need to be an audio engineer to understand. No complicated settings. Basically, hook it up, turn it on, clip it, you're ready to go. Clear audio, even in noisy places. And the other big thing is it holds up in real life. So if you're filming in public, noisy places, it keeps your audio clear and up front.
This is one of those upgrades that feels like it should be pretty expensive.
But it's honestly not for what it does.
And honestly, if you're spending the time filming, editing, and uploading, why not take the step that makes your content instantly better? So if you've been struggling with echo, distortion, those I can't hear you moments, inconsistent audio, this is the solution for you. This is the upgrade that fixes it.
The DJI Mic Mini is a serious must-have for vloggers.
And we're so pumped to start using it in our videos.
If this helped you out, drop a comment below. What are you filming with right now?
And if you want more creator gear tips like this, make sure you subscribe to The Jared's Journey.
And we'll see you on the next one. That's a wrap.